Shell catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that?
Welcome back to another video. I am on the road again. Nah, but for real, I'm riding around. Damn, that's my old neighbor. What the hell? Anyways, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys enjoyed the intro. As you can tell by the title, man, just kind of showing you guys what the car sounds like. Probably could hear the car now. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me that well. It's pretty loud. But it's a custom exhaust, man. Just want to show you guys what it sounds like. And a lot of people ask me what I have done to it. It's full bow-tone, pretty much every bow-tone you can think of, making some pretty good power. I haven't dynoed it as long as I had it, but I have beat some crazy shit, to be honest. I do appreciate you guys for watching the video. I'm on my way now. Actually just picked up one of my other cars for service. I'll give you guys a hint on what that is right there. So we're on our way back to the house, but I may stop and get you guys some footage, maybe at a warehouse or something, the exhaust, some revving clips and things of that nature. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Still will be doing the detailing videos for you guys that are into that. That is one of the businesses that I do, so of course I'm gonna keep on doing that. So any questions you have, don't forget to comment below, like the video, see if we get 100 likes on this video. I'm back on the car scene, man, and thank you guys for watching the video. Enjoy these next clips. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up so you guys can get a good exhaust clip and everything from what the car sounds like. Yeah guys, so that's pretty much her. That's custom exhaust from a local shop. Used to be straight pipe, absolutely too fucking loud. But y'all can tell I got the M-Tech kit, front, back, carbon fiber spoiler, 19-inch wheels, M-Tech front bumper. Hit some on a damn highway, I gotta get that replaced. Maybe we'll do a video replacing that for red seats. Yeah man, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the video. Appreciate you guys for watching, and if you stuck around to the end, and if you've been a subscriber for a while, you would know that this is a giveaway video, man. For all the detailer watchers, all the people that comment below, you have entered the $100 cash app. So go ahead, comment below, and I will be announcing the winner right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave some comments down below what other videos you want me to do on this car. I will be introducing the other vehicles to the car as well. Appreciate you guys for watching the channel. Catch you next time.
handle, then it get critical. No, I'm not doing no interview. Mask on my face, you can't see what I'm finna do. Had to move away from people that's miserable. Don't wanna link you, I ain't finna sit with you. Ain't finna talk to you, ain't finna get with you. Don't give me